for fun in the Philippines, as local and foreign visitors can have a month of beautiful sights, sounds, and fun in Balitaan City. The event, the month-long Sandugo Festival. Audrey Gorriceta reports.
Balitaan City is the capital of Bohol. It is known as the City of Friendship. Balitaan annually hosts the Sandugo Festival for the whole month of July. Constantly drawing local and foreign tourists, this feast observes the momentous blood compact between native tribal chief Datu Sikatuna and Spanish colonizer General Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. As a tribute to their brotherhood, it is believed that both courageous leaders drank wine mixed with their own blood, a ritual that symbolically upholds the bond of friendship between two different religions, nationalities, and cultures. The street dancing competitions, the sports fest, the beauty contests, the church celebrations, and the reenactment of the Friendship Treaty are celebrated coinciding with the gathering of Boholanos from different countries, christened as TBTK, or meaning a gathering of Boholanos from all over the world. What makes the festivities even more enjoyable is the local nightscape, with a resounding beat in the midst of all the gaiety and fun. From dusk till dawn, extraordinarily gastronomic feast and delectable local cuisine can surely satiate everyone's appetite. Sandugo Festival is a great way to show off the culture and tradition that Bohol has to offer, and a wonderful way of reminiscing the history of our country. For People's Television, Audrey Gorriceta.